Okay guys, so in this video let's see that how do we delete items from our cart. So let's add some items to our cart first here. So let me add this iMac and this iPad, and if we go to our cart we see that we have these two items. And now what we are looking in this video, that is how to click on this button and then the item should be removed from the cart. So that's what we are going to do in this video. So for this, let's go to our application here, and here inside this cart list adapter, firstly what I want to do, I want to create an interface here, and that interface would be implemented in this cart fragment. So let's create an interface here. So it would be a public interface, and this should be called cart interface like this. And here the first method we want is to delete the items. So let's create a method here, that is void delete item like this, and here it takes in a cart item as an argument or as a parameter here. So now what we want to do, we want to implement this cart interface inside our cart fragment. So let's go to our cart fragment here, and we want to make this fragment implement that cart interface. So we'll say implements cart interface like this. And now it's angry because it says that we want to implement the method, that is a delete item method. So let's implement the default method of the delete item like this. So now this method would be called from that cart interface. Okay, so now what we need to do, we want to pass this interface, that is the cart interface, to our cart list adapter as an argument here. So let's change the constructor here, and it takes in one argument, that is the cart interface itself. So cart interface, and here we'll create a cart interface, and this should be private, and cart interface, and then we'll initialize it here, that is this dot cart interface equal to cart interface like this. And now we can use this interface, that is this interface here, that is implemented by the cart fragment. And here what we need to do, when we are initializing our cart list adapter, we can pass here this, that is this fragment has implemented the cart interface, so that this method would be called. And now let's go to our list adapter again, and now here what we can do inside the cart view holder. So here what we can do, we can simply say cart row binding dot delete product button dot set on click listener, and here we can simply pass a new view on click listener like this. And here what we can simply say, cart interface dot delete item, and here what we want to pass, we want to pass in the item here, so we can get the item very easily. We can simply say get item, and here we can simply pass in the dot get adapter position like this. And now after doing all this, this method will be called, that is delete item. So let's see if that method is being called. So let's simply make a log statement here, that is cart item dot name dot get product dot get name like this. So now let's run this application here, and let me open the logcat here so that we can see the log statements here. And let me also pass this tag here, that is the cart fragment, so we can only see the log statements from this cart fragment. So let's go back to our application here, and let's click on add item to cart. Let's go to our application. So let me click delete here, and let me click delete here also. So let's go back to our application, and we see that we are getting this method being called, that is these two log statements, that is iMac 21 and iPad Air 21. So now let's handle the deletion of the items. So for that, let me create a new method inside our shop view model, because our shop view model would be talking to our cart repository. So let's open our shop view model here, and here what we need to do, we need to create a method here, and that is remove item from cart. So it would be a public void method, that is public void remove item from cart, and here it would take in cart item as the parameter here, that is cart item. And now we simply want to call a method inside our cart repo class. So let's call that method, so cart repo dot remove item from cart, and we are going to create this method right away in a moment. So, and this will take in cart item as an argument here, that is cart item like this. And let me copy this method here, that is the method name here, and let's create this method inside cart repo class. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this method, and this would be again public void, and the method name is remove item from cart, and here it takes in cart item as an argument here or as a parameter here. and here we are going to remove the item from the cart. So firstly, what we want to do, we want to make an if check, that is if mutable cart dot get value is equal to null, that is if the cart's value is null, then we simply want to return from here. We do not want to proceed further. Otherwise, what we want to do, firstly we want to get the current list of the cart items. So let's store that in a cart item list. So cart item, that is the list of cart item. So cart item list equal to new array list, and here we can simply pass in mutable cart dot get value. And now what we can do, we can simply say cart item list dot remove. And what we want to remove, we want to remove this cart item that is coming here as a parameter, and then we simply want to set the mutable cart, that is set mutable cart dot set value, and here we can pass in the cart item list, and this cart item list has removed this cart item. And now I think that this should work. So let's go to our shop view model, and why are we getting an error here? So this doesn't seem right. That was my silly mistake here. So here we can simply pass in the cart item. So now let's run this application, and this time let's see that if we are able to delete the items from our cart. So let's go back to our application here. So let me add it twice, let me add it once. So let's go back to our application. So let's click on delete here, and this doesn't seems to work, and that is probably because we haven't called this method, that is remove item from cart, from our cart fragment, that is from this method here. So let's call that method, that is shop view model dot remove item from cart, and here we can pass in the cart item like this, and now everything should work. So let's go back again, and now let me again add this thing here and this thing. So we have these two products, so let me delete this product here. We see that the product has been deleted, and let me delete this also, and we see that the product is again being deleted. So let's try it once more like this. So deleted, deleted, deleted. So that's all for this video. So in the next video, let's see that how do we handle this spinner thing, that is how to handle the quantity and update the price accordingly.